To make it unstructured it needs a lot of work to do. So if we want to and since you already know what kind of data you have, then better to stick here on the two, but best to do semi-structured, yeah, to allow flexibility. Okay. So at this point, may I check if there's something not clear or there's something that we need to discuss further?
What is unstructured coding? Because coding will.
Yeah, unstructured. I mean, it just emerges. It's so random. It's so random. I mean, you can do it if it's, just a survey that you don't, yeah. Solidarity. Okay, yeah. So it actually requires you to do a lot of work. But then right? Just on your FPAR design and even on your data collection questions, you know the set of data that you are looking for. So it's better to the suggestion is really to make it semi-structured, rather than just for instance data and then you don't know and then you will have to dig every time. Whereas if you have already organized it in the way that you have based on your data collection questions, then that makes your life a lot simpler and easier.
Bernie,
Yes.
is it possible that if there are data that you are not sure where to classify it, you just add another layer like others? Is it possible?
Yes, but you can actually once you have classified and then you will know where you check, unless they don't really belong, but you think that is you cannot just disregard or ignore that data, then you can make another code for that. Yeah. Okay, that's why semi-structured, so that it allows flexibility. Okay. Yeah, that one is already tired. Okay, so let us try. I will. Can we keep the same grouping? Are you still happy with the same grouping of 3? Yeah. Okay. Okay. All right. So we will use the transcript of the data that we have generated from the exercise using the research topic of GSBI. So this group, Maris group, so I think Maris and then the Bangladesh and then Thailand and etc. Here and yes, Thailand, and then the other one is Cambodia.
Yeah.
You are with
Korea and Indonesia.
Okay, Korea and Indonesia here. Korea and Indonesia and then Cambodia. Who are you with? No, it's the 3. There. Yeah. The last grouping that we had.
You want to move there?
Yeah, the last grouping that we had.
Okay, that's good. Yeah, because they don't sit here. Move by
Okay. So, you will do coding. Can we give you 10 minutes to do that?
Yeah.
And then each group, I will be asking each group to make a presentation about the coding system that you agreed on. Okay? So please, Alung, who are you joining with? Okay. Yeah. So Alung with the Thai group and Korea, and then the next group another Indonesia, as well as India, and then Cambodia. Okay, Cambodia. Huh? Yeah, you have. Each one of you has. Yes. So you go to your group. You Yeah. Yes. Okay.
How many minutes?
10 minutes.
Okay.